Dude, I'm back in the hotel right now. I hate talking in front of the camera, but I'm trying to get better at it. And you know what? My friend and I, we were talking today, and as you get older as an adult, I feel like you just don't care as much about perfection, about what people think. And that's exactly what I'm trying to say today. I was just watching the Packers game, so obviously I'm a little bit sauced up right now. I got a vodka Red Bull on me. I'm feeling good. And you know, we were at the game today, and we were sitting next to this guy, and he was there by himself. He had no friends, no family, nobody else to speak of. He was wearing a Packers jersey. He was feeling his vibe. He was having a good time. And honestly, 2 years ago, less than that, I probably would have been like, fuck, I cannot do this. People are going to think I'm weird. People are going to think I'm by myself. I have no friends, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? At the end of the day, what really matters is that you're just being yourself. You're having a good time. You're doing what you like to do. And this goes to the video I was talking about yesterday where this whole camera thing has been kind of hard because I assume people value my work based on how many views it's getting and how much clout I have, blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, that is not what matters. What matters is that you're having a good time. You're feeling yourself. You're doing your thing. And that's the message I want to share with you guys today because I know it's hard out there. Obviously, as humans, we care what others think. We care what our family, our friends think. But really, at the end of it all, what matters is what you think, what you're feeling. And if you're doing what you like to do, what you enjoy to do, that is it, dude. And for right now, I'm in Las Vegas. I'm enjoying this vodka Red Bull. I'm having a good time. The Packers just beat Dick Trisket and the Cowboys 48-32, bro. It was a blowout. And by the way, I'm not a Chiefs fan. I know I was watching the game yesterday, but I'm a Packers fan through and through. I bleed yellow, I think. Yeah, cheese. It was a great game, and I had a good time, and I'm coming into my era as an adult. I'm coming into my era as just being me and feeling myself and just being comfortable with it. And honestly, that feels so good. And part of the thing I want to talk about today too is that with these videos, something that's really been bothering me is I want to stay stuff smooth. I want to come across clean and put together. But you know what? I feel like the genuineness is what matters more. Just being yourself, saying what you want to say, and just coming out the way that you want to come out and say things the way you want to say them and what you're feeling. So yeah, I know this video might not be perfect, but bro, I'm doing this for the first take. This is take one. I'm over here a little bit saucy, a little bit juiced, but I'm having a good time doing it, dude. And that's all that matters. I know the audio might not be perfect. I know the video might not be perfect, but at the end of the day, I feel like if you're doing what you want to do, that is perfect. And that's the message I want to share with you guys today. Honestly, just do you, dude. Whatever it is that you like to do. I don't care if you like to disc golf, mountain bike, surf, whatever it is. Put your camera down, put your tripod down, and just do you, dude. That's it. Like, that is simple message right here. And I'm having a good time doing this, and I appreciate all you guys being there with me. I appreciate everyone who's watching these videos, commenting, texting me, whatever it may be. Because you know what? When you do what you like to do and people are like, damn, bro, I like that you're doing what you like to do. That's what feels good. And then you're going to know you're at the right place, at the right time, doing the right thing. And I feel like as humans, that's all we got to do, bro. So right now, I'm in Las Vegas. I'm in this loud-ass hotel room. I'm drinking this dirty-ass vodka. I'm having a good time with this Red Bull. That's all I got to say today, man. I hope you guys have a good one. Let's go, Packers. Let's go, baby. Come on.